don't get it.
You know, sniper lobbies are pointless in this game because every kill cam's the same anyway. Every single one has connection interrupted all over it. So it doesn't really matter. Oh,
Yeah, that's so true.
I just shot a guy and he died. What the 4 shots? Not tonight.
Hope it kills
Not tonight. It's taking too long to freaking install.
What the heck?
I hear somebody.
Get over here.
I really want to bounce the C4 off your head and kill someone with it.
What was that thing we had that we were gonna? Oh shit, you dick! You almost.
Oh no, you did!
Ah! This is a good kill cam. I guarantee it. I think I know the.
Yo, did they make this game in like 2 days?
I just looked at him again. No scoped him again. And game over.
You call that lagging? Oh,
Should have made that the kill
you
cam.
should come to my house. That's lagging.
What? I guess we're on the good team. Oh no. Wait.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah, okay,
that's not
explains
fun. Yeah. That's what I was thinking. 74 you maybe? Oh, right trigger. What's that? He even reloads in that kill cam.
He killed him with reload.
For real. That gun is underpowered.
What?
Oh, let's teabag this guy for an hour or two. I'm pretty sure I've gotten a quad feed on that before. Without.
Whoa! What?
Oh, so that's how it works, huh?
Up, Asian baby running away.
Shut up, you fuse folks. Get out of my way.
Shut up, fucking deep throater.
What do you say?
He's throwing out random cuss words like, you smelly.
Shit down my ass block! Oh, he didn't. Shut up.
I'm done. I'm done. I fucked your whole team in the butt, you fucking anal rapist. I'm gonna loosen your butthole.
Right now.
Shit down my ass block! Damn my ass block!
Loosen butthole.
Wait till I put out my UAV.
I will loosen your butthole.
Damn dog.
I don't understand kids that do that on this game.
I'm gonna throw them all off with this.
Damn dog.
Dolphin dive until we win, guys. Dang, dude, let me help you make a super. The Venus Claymore trap. Venus Claymore trap, dude. Venus Claymore trap right here.
Oh, like a dude watching us.
Oh!
I don't think that was yours. Oh, it's stuck to
Oh my
Yo, what's
god.
that kill?
Austin, that hit you on the head.
Nope, didn't even explode.
It just disappeared.
Oh. It's a D stain.
Flak Jacket Pro now comes with black holes. Whoa, Tomahawk.
Oh, I was hoping that Tomahawk would bounce off that and hit him.
Yeah, well, I was
You
hoping
like
to
Daniel,
be
baby?
weird, but I do.
Hey, keep it Danielle, baby.
Damn dog.
Why does that kid keep saying damn dog?
I know, right?
Like that's all he said. Oh. Yeah, Barack Obama.
Sup?
That guy has the right idea. Damn,
That's kind of what I
bro.
want to do. We need to do that. Just go.
Heck yeah.
Just go to some choke point that some guy has to run, like turn around. Now go behind some dude and just do a pose. All 3 of us just stand there.
Damn dog.
Well, we should.
My master key. That's my gun.
Look at this flatline guy. He knows what's up. He's like, I know you're right there.
What level
Oh, he had it
are
planned
you,
out.
boy?
Nope.
74 of you. 74 of you, no more.
What
Look at
level
my gun,
RuneScape
dude. That's a
master
sexy gun. Look at my gun.
Oh, that.
What level RuneScape master
74
are
of you, I don't think so.
He knew he was gonna jump, so he aimed up.
Yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna pull out my formage.
Oh, we didn't see him.
EVG Commander, what level dungeon master are you?
What?
Nope.
What level
Rock,
RuneScape
like a dungeon
character do you
dragon.
have?
What the freak is
How I
RuneScape?
do. What level are you on RuneScape?
What is
Deer Hunter.
RuneScape?
What?
Deer
He's
Hunter.
not
Like you
aiming
don't
at.
know.
Oh my gosh! I hate
It's called Harden, nigga.
what?
What is RuneScape?
That doesn't. I didn't know
What
that
level
perk actually.
RuneScape are you?
No, look at him. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I
see?
told you we
would win.
Power of power. Oh yeah.
Damn dog.
I still want to know what RuneScape is.
Runescape
it's
is how
like-
it's pronounced.
Damn,
Okay,
Ever
what is?
played it?
I don't know
It's
what it is.
over
so apparently not.
9,000.
damn
Harden,
dog.
nigga.
Are you hearing that kid? He's still thinking.
Damn, dog. Harden, nigga.
Damn dogs. China.
Jefferson
No, what
Davis,
is it you doing? Look at
2013.
his point, like straight down. What are you doing, kid?
Alexander
Look at
Hamilton.
Look at the kid. Do you see it?
I don't believe in camera. Dog, you voted for Obama. You use a communist, what she is.
You don't vote for that Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
Yes, Grandma. Yeah!
That's what I was thinking, Zodiac.
He saw you
Yes,
coming.
Grandma.
Like a
If
mile
it ain't
away.
white, it ain't right. Yeah. Barack Obama. Barack is my favorite presidential candidate.
What?
Walk this way.
There is no hope.
That's what I'm saying. There's no point to this. Quick
Like, literally, there's
oh,
no
you
hope.
missed.
He ran and jumped off the map.
I just said that. Oh god,
Hey, did you?
that
I bet
kid's
you
voice.
voted for. Hey,
That kid's voice. Oh my
He
god.
run and jump off